Hi everyone. We will talk about a few stocks today. कोई observations सिर्फ शेयर करना है, कोई recommendations नहीं है, कोई bullish या bearish view नहीं है इतना. Just some shortlisted stocks जहाँ पर अपने view share करना चाहता था. All right, so let's start with Nifty. Nifty में I think everyone is already talking about this trend line. So इस trend line पर हमें दो तीन बार already rejection मिल चुका है. यहाँ पे लगा था कि एक breakout हो जाएगा, but then it was a false breakout and then again यहाँ पे फिर से rejection मिला है. Uh, we also know that ये दो inside bars form हुए हैं. So when inside bars are there, any sharp move will only come, if Nifty goes below 17,440 or above 17,820. Right, so those are the ranges we should all have in mind. Moving on to Bank Nifty. So, okay, sorry, one more observation. So, on Nifty, the RSI looks okayish. So 52 per hai abhi, but has a downward slope. What is interesting is on the super trend. So if you look at super trend has just shown a negative bias. So it is possible कि हम 17,440 को तोड़ के नीचे जाएं. बट नेवरदलेस उस सिर्फ लगने पर कोई ट्रेड नहीं लेना है. ओनली आप तभी ट्रेड लेना जब ये सच में इसको नीचे तोड़ देता है. Okay, let's move on. So if I go to the next thing, which is Bank Nifty, I think everyone is already looking at this resistance कि ये कब टूट जाता है. So 39,500 से लेकर के 3900 900 तक, सॉरी 39,900 पर एक रेजिस्टेंस है हमारे पास. अगर वो ब्रेक होता है देन यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट सम अपसाइड. Super trend is still positive. RSI is still above 60. So banking is something which I am not having any negative bias on right now. Okay, moving on. So one of the weak stocks in the banking sector, though I just talked about not being negative there, but one of the weak stocks, Bandhan Bank, I am keenly watching. Why? Because ये एक ट्रेंड लाइन है जिस पे बंधन बैंक हैज बीन ट्रेवर्सिंग. अगर इसको ब्रेक करता है so it can go towards 250 at least, which is the immediate support. Otherwise it has been trading in this 100 rupee range since quite a long time. Next stock on my list is in the IDFC First Bank. On IDFC First Bank, this is a rounding bottom formation which has not given a breakout yet, but if it does, you can expect an upside of around 20 rupees in the medium term. Why? Because 30 से लेकर 50 तक का ये राउंडिंग बॉटम है. इसको आप दोबारा जब ऊपर प्लेस करोगे तो 20 plus 20 will give you a target of around 70 rupees, which is also this resistance. So let's see. The next stock is Godrej Properties. Again, something which I am keenly watching because it might break this trend line. So if it does, there is a huge potential, because अपने highest level से बहुत नीचे है ये real estate. People are positive about it, so I think this could be a good bet going forward. Moving on, Ambuja Cements. So Ambuja Cements में as such कुछ बहुत डिफरेंट तो नहीं था, बट व्हाट आई वांटेड टू शो वाज कि अभी हमारा ये वाला रेजिस्टेंस ब्रेक हुआ है एंड द नेक्स्ट लेवल ऑन दिस कुड बी 435 एंड 450 के अराउंड इधर अपने 445. So if these levels break, then Ambuja Cements would be up for grabs. It will be an all-time breakout, and hence it is going to be a very attractive bet. So keep an eye on that. What else? ITs are not looking good. Coforge मैंने इसलिए उठा के लिया because one of the stocks that I track already इसने इस ट्रेंड लाइन को नीचे ब्रेक कर दिया है. आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग कि एटलीस्ट 3350 तक का एक डाउनसाइड तो मिलेगा ही, और अगर वो भी ब्रीच हो गया देन प्रोबेबली द नेक्स्ट लेवल्स टू लुक फॉर आर गोइंग टू बी 30 to 30 on Coforge. The RSI also, by the way, is not looking good on Coforge. Moving on to DLF. So DLF is something which has already given us the breakout now. Breakout जो DLF ने दिया है is on the trend line as well as on this. So if you will see, alright, so यहाँ पे नहीं हुआ है अभी breakout, but there are chances it will. Why? Because it is showing good volumes here. RSI is above 60, in fact 64 के around ही है, 63.94. So let's look at super trend also. Super trend is also inching upwards, so hence DLF is positive. Moving on, which is Escort. So Escort, so I only wanted to share because of this, beautiful breakout. Uh, you shouldn't enter this right now. Why? Because there should be a correction uh, somewhere. If you get it back at around 1930 to 1940 levels, that would be a good time to buy this to enjoy this breakout. ग्रासिम में अगेन ये ट्रेंड लाइन ब्रेकआउट हुआ है. इट कुड बी ट्राइंग टू मेक दिस एज अ राउंडिंग बॉटम. सो हमारे पास जो नेक्स्ट लेवल निकल के आता है वो 1822 का है. राइट नाउ द स्टॉक इज एट 1687. इसके आगे हैवेल्स में ऑलरेडी हमें एक ब्रेकआउट मिल गया है. हैवेल्स में इस ब्रेकआउट के बाद जो हमारे पास टारगेट्स बनते हैं, लेट्स लुक एट देम. So this is 273 rupees ka move. So if I copy this above, so what I am getting is a target of around 1660. So that is a good target there. Of course, you will face some resistances at this level, which is around 1488, or you can say 1500 odd levels. Uske baad you can look for a 1618 ka level. Yeah. Further up is Colgate Palmolive, Colpal, looking good. Again giving out a breakout. इसका रीटेस्ट भी हो गया है. यहाँ पे मुझे लगता है कि हम एक पोजीशन बना सकते हैं. RSI is also good, 74. I think this could be giving good returns in the coming days. Maybe 1750 तक तो जाना ही चाहिए. The ultimate target for this would be around this level 1820 के around. ITC, everyone is talking about it. ITC is doing great and is near the resistance of 325. Looks like it will break it. Let's see. But on a higher level view, you will see there are a lot of accumulations that have happened. A lot of accumulations within this range. So likely that it will break out and it will touch 365 plus. Even can go beyond. Can break out all-time highs. So something to look for. Just wanted to show you that the RSI here is positive, around 70, and on the super trend, if I look at it, a super trend is inching up and up day by day. So all positive with ITC. Moving forward is Marico में अपने super trend के हिसाब से तो पॉजिटिविटी है. ट्रेंड लाइन के ऊपर सपोर्ट ले रहा है, बार बार यहाँ पे चल रहा है. शेयर इसलिए किया है बिकॉज ये एक टाइट जोन है जिसमें ये ट्रैवल कर रहा है. सो इफ दिस ब्रेक्स समवेयर, सो यू कैन expect a considerable move then. Till then, kind of in the watch list and kind of avoid. I think those were the stocks that I wanted to talk about. Thank you so much. I tried to cover everything quickly because मैं खुद भी videos देखता हूँ, तो I kind of jump onto directly the meaningful stuff. So thank you guys. Hope this was helpful in some way. Happy trading. Tata, bye bye.